Hi, my name is Françoise and today I'm going to teach you how to make rope from yarn. Drop the yarn. You have to have a little bit extra, and then you have to go around 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you go in the middle, and you go in twice. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're ready to weave. Here's my rope, and I'm going to tie it to something here. I'm using the base of my blender. It's heavy and it's stable. And I put 3 fingers on one hand, 2 fingers on the other one, and my index finger is the shuttle that's going to go through. You go down, up, down. I wanted to show you a close-up. So you have 2 loops in one hand and 3 loops in the other hand. And it's your index finger that is the shuttle that's going up and down through the strings. So you're going over the first string. So you're going down in the middle, inside the first loop. So in the first loop, and you're going through and you're grabbing the last loop. Then you stretch it out. You bring your fingers over so that you have your index finger free again. You have to go in the first loop, inside the loop, so down, then you have to grab the last loop, and you pull through, and you gotta switch the fingers again. So you just have to remember to go down in the first loop. Here you go. Down, up, grab. Scoot the fingers over. Index finger down the first, like down. Grab. Scoot over. Till next project.